Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on One UI 7. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, and enable Gemini integration right away. I'll walk you through pairing your Samsung account, granting permissions, and customizing voice activation. We'll set up quick phrases, adjust privacy controls, and connect Gemini to apps for smarter suggestions. Follow along step by step and pause when needed so your phone works the way you want. Warm up your Gemini experience by choosing a voice and wake phrase that feel natural. I recommend training voice recognition with a few short samples to improve accuracy across noisy environments. Next, create routines for morning briefings, commute updates, and smart home control, then tie those to shortcuts or Bixby button gestures. Small tweaks here save time later and make Gemini feel like a helpful companion on One UI 7. Make Gemini a productivity booster by using it alongside apps in split screen or pop-up view. Turn on-device suggestions to get faster text completions, action prompts, and context-aware replies while you work. Connect calendar and reminders so Gemini can propose meeting times or set follow-ups automatically. I'll show examples of composing emails, summarizing content, and using quick actions to save minutes every day with one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.